With all the smart devices out there, homes today are more advanced than ever before. There are devices to control temperature, the locks, the garage door, even personal voice assistants at our beck and call. They're great. That's why they're all a part of Resideo Total Connect 2.0. We designed the app and website to get all your connected home devices, well, connected. Save money by using Total Connect to control the temperature when you are home. You can control all your devices through the app to make your home smarter and your life simpler. And you can set them up to work together as a team, like having the lights turn on when you unlock the door, or telling your voice assistant to arm the security system. With Total Connect, you won't believe how easy controlling your connected home can be, because all your tech works better when it works together. Because why do a lot of things when you only have to do one?